Imagine walking through the house that holds both heaven and hell within its walls. Welcome to Burghley House, one of England's most spectacular Elizabethan country houses and a filming location for Pride and Prejudice. My name is Dasha, and today we are talking about the most beautiful place around the world, Burghley House. Stay focused with me to answer the question which room appeared in the film Pride and Prejudice. Burghley House was built between 1555 and 1587 for Sir William Cecil, the trusted Lord High Treasurer to Queen Elizabeth I. Burghley House is the ultimate Elizabethan prodigy house. Today it is still home to the Cecil family, and its gardens were designed by none other than Lancelot Capability Brown, the legendary landscape architect. But beyond its history, Burghley is a place of treasures, secrets, and cinematic fame. Our tour begins with the Cecil family's collection of priceless treasure. From the old kitchen, we ascend the Roman staircase into the antechapel and family chapel. Next, the billiard room, lined with portraits, and the state dining room, where Louis Laguerre's paintings bring Cleopatra and Marc Antony's story to life. In the brown drawing room, you will even find Queen Victoria's brass traveling bed, proof of her royal visit. As we move through the black and yellow bedroom, the marquetry room, and Queen Elizabeth's bedroom, each space reveals layers of history. There is also the pagoda room filled with the family and royal portraits, blue silk bedroom, and adjacent to it, blue silk dressing room with an elegant and wonderful design. Finally, we reach the royalty rooms. The George rooms, First George room, Second George room with a state bed, Sir George room with a wonderful design and flower paintings and marble fireplace, Fourth George room, as you can see, each room more elegant than the last one. And finally, we're reaching the breathtaking heaven room, painted by Antonio Verio. But be aware, to enter heaven, you must descend through the hell staircase, with its dramatic presentation of the underworld. Outside, Burghley's gardens are just as magical. The Garden of Surprises delights with fountains, a mirror maze, grotto, flowers, sand watch, and even a bubble shooter, and mirrors, and several different elements. From there, wander through the woodland walk, remembrance border, swallow rill, sculpture garden, cut flower garden, beer playground, North American garden and valley garden, and your stroll beside the lake with its boathouse and spectacular views, before circling back to the formal gardens with their ground fountain in front of the Burghley House. Now, answering that challenge at the beginning of the video, which room appeared in the Pride and Prejudice movie, if you answered Heaven room, you got it right, as the characters entered this room through the Hell staircase. A perfect cinematic twist. Getting here is easy. Take the train to Peterborough, then hop on the bus number 201 straight to the Burghley House. A journey worth every step. So tell me, would you rather explore the Heaven room with its divine ceiling paintings, or get lost in the playful Garden of Surprises? Drop down the answer in the comment section below, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful places around the world and for the music. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.